For the second year running, the Malta Institute of Management is organizing a marketing conference in collaboration with the European Marketing Confederation, with a run-up of top-notch international keynote speakers, and this year's conference will be entitled the 2018 MIM Marketing Gathering. The conference will be held at the Lutzo Conference Center on Friday, the 16th of November. The first keynote speaker is in fact the president of the German Marketing Federation, and he is also the vice chairman of the European Marketing Confederation, Ralf Strauss, who will give us digital business excellence, successful versus unsuccessful digital transformations. Digital transformations is a hot topic for companies across the globe. And as you are aware, executives across different industries in marketing and sales realize how quickly digital technology has disrupted industries such as the media in the past decade, and how they need to pay attention to changes in their own industries. The majority of executives are aware of the pressures they have from competitors and customers to speed up their digital transformation. However, organizations adapt digitally driven changes at varying paces and have experience at different levels. So Ralf will tell us what is the best way to truly reshape your business and give us experiences he has of business models taking us through the digital transformation. The second keynote is by Rosita Wolf, who is head of marketing and communications of Ireland's Music Hall. And Rosita will give us a keynote about the power of marketing, how an organization may gain a competitive edge through incorporating a marketing mindset in its vision, mission, and values. This, of course, is a very important and interesting keynote because it is telling us that marketing is not only marketing communications and digital and media of this world, but how, in fact, marketing can benefit organizations by being inbuilt in the overall business plan. This year, the Institute of Management has become a member of the European Marketing Confederation, and this enables us to network with different marketing associations across Europe and even beyond, allowing us the privilege to invite top-notch speakers, as we have this year, for you to benefit from this exchange of professional knowledge. We encourage you to participate and welcome you to this year's 2018 Marketing Gathering, taking place on the 16th of November at the Lutzo Conference Center in Aura. See you then.